In this video, we are going to see how we can use pre-built Kali Linux on VMware. The concept is very simple. The first step, you need to download pre-built Kali from official website, and in step 2, you only have to open it in VMware. So in step 1, download Kali Linux virtual machine image from the official website. And now in step 2, open the machine in VMware player or workstation. So we are on Kali Linux official website. Click on download. Now select the option to download virtual machines. Here we have pre-built Kali Linux machines for VMware as well as for VirtualBox. As we are using VMware, just click on download. And your download will start automatically. Once downloaded, extract it. The files will be extracted in a separate folder. Now open your VMware Workstation Pro or VMware Player. Click on File and select to open a virtual machine. Now go to your extracted Kali Linux folder and select the file. Your Kali Linux will be loaded into VMware. Now you can edit its settings. You can change its CPU. You can change the hard disk allotted to it. You can also change the network settings, which I like to keep it in bridge mode. Now power on this virtual machine. Now your Kali Linux will be booted. It will take a while to start. And you can see that we have successfully opened a pre-built Kali machine on VMware. Now you can use different commands and tools as you like.